If you're experiencing camera issues on your Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or S25 Ultra like lag, autofocus not working, poor image quality, or even app crashes, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll go over the most common camera problems and show you quick and effective solutions to fix them. So, make sure to watch till the end because your issue might get solved right here. Some users have reported that the camera takes too long to open or lags while recording videos. Others have mentioned that autofocus isn't working properly, causing blurry photos. Some even face image quality issues, excessive noise, or random crashes of the camera app. Now, let's go over the best solutions to fix these problems. 1. Restart your phone. It may sound simple, but a quick reboot can often fix camera problems. Just turn off your phone, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Then, open the camera app and check if the issue is resolved. 2. Force close and clear camera app cache. If your camera is lagging or slow, clearing its cache can help. Here's how. Go to Settings Apps, Camera Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If the problem persists, try Clear Data. Note, this will reset your camera settings. 3. Update your phone and camera app. Samsung frequently releases software updates to fix bugs. Go to Settings, Software Update, and check for updates. Also, update the camera app via Galaxy Store or Google Play. 4. Reset camera settings to default. If image quality has dropped or autofocus isn't working after manual changes, reset your camera settings. Go to Settings Apps, Camera Reset Settings, and tap Reset Camera Settings. 5. Clean the camera lens. Sometimes, the issue isn't software-related. Fingerprints, dust, or smudges on the lens can degrade image quality. Use a microfiber cloth to clean the lens and check if it helps. 6. Use safe mode to detect problematic apps. Some third-party apps may interfere with the camera. Restart your phone in safe mode and check if the camera works fine. If it does, a third-party app is likely the cause, and you should uninstall suspicious apps. 7. Factory reset, if nothing else works. If none of the above methods work, you may need to reset your phone to factory settings. Back up your data first, as this will erase everything. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset Factory Data Reset. And that's it. These were the best ways to fix camera issues on the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Hopefully, one of these solutions worked for you. Still facing problems? Drop a comment and we'll help you out. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.